Somebody. Dude, Mike's got it ramming right now.
That is ramming speed. Uh-oh.
Oh, they're going back at him.
Is Joey sitting backwards?
Somebody did, they had like peripheral vision in both directions.
We're talking, you fucking asswipe.
Shh, quit yelling.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Shut up, Ben. Who are
Hey.
you?
I'm the fucking mayor. I'm the mayor of Mantown.
Cocksucker.
That's pretty funny how you guys are facing both directions. Let me get some words about your strategy there, Joe.
Four down. You get that shit. Four down.
Yeah, you better get that shit.
That's what she said.
Do you have anything electronic
I'm a little
on you?
pissed off right now. I've never done it.
You got owed, dude. Sorry.
You didn't get a... Dude, we owe you for like 3
Oh! Yeah, dude, he can't even say it.
That's just full of shit. We fucked his fucking canoe up so bad, he had to come in. That's why he came in. I came in because I broke an oar.
You broke it.
Yeah, it broke.
Shit.
Fuckers! Fuckers! Fuckers!
Good thing I made that oar back.